Once again, good evening, my dear children. I know you are waiting for our next video, that is exercise 1.1, 6th and 7th question. In this question, I am not going to solve all the questions which are given in 6th and 7th because you are already thorough in finding cross product as well as in intersection parts or union parts, isn't it? You are already thorough in all the operations of sets, that is finding union between two sets, finding intersection between two sets, as well as you are able to find now cross product between the sets. So now in this video, in 6th question, I am just going to explain you what is given in the 6th question, and I am not going to explain you any questions, sub questions of 6th one. That is your work. You are going to calculate, you are going to make the answers for that question. In 7th question, I am going to explain the 7th question as well as the sub question 2 of 7th, and not the first question because you are very thorough in that part. So I am moving to the second part of 7th question. Okay, let's move to the today's portion. So first you can read the question 6. Read the question 6. Let A equal to set of x element of W such that x less than 2, x is less than 2. B equal to x element of n, that is natural number, such that x is greater than 1 and less than or equal to 4. And C is equal to set of 3, 5. Verify that. And 3 questions are given for you. You are going to make answers for the 3 questions. Just I am going to explain what is the 6th question. 6th question. Let A equal to set of x element of W. What is W? Yeah, it's correct. It is whole number. Whole number starts from 0. Whole number starts from 0. Listen here. A equal to set of x element of W. W is equal to whole number which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. See the condition such that x should be less than 2. X should be less than 2. So we are not taking 2 in consideration because it is not equal to 2. It is just less than 2. So what are the two numbers? 0 and 1. A is equal to 0, 1. A is equal to 0, 1. Next, B equal to set of x element of n. X is element of n. What is n? N is natural number. That is, natural number begins from 1, 2, 3, etc. Whole number starts from 0 and natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, etc. Such that x greater than 1. What is the condition? X is greater than 1 but it is not equal to 1. So you shouldn't add 1. Greater than 1. So 1 is cancelled. Greater than 1. At the same time it is less than and equal to 4. Less than and equal to 4. So should you add 4? Yes, definitely, because it is equal to 4. So the set is 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So see, already it is given. Now you come to the sub questions. What is given? A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. Okay. First you have to take the LHS. In LHS A cross B union C, first you have to find B union C. After that you have to take Cartesian product for A and B union C. So first you have to write the value of A, then put the cross product, then you write the value of B union C. So that will be taken as equation 1. Vice versa. You have to find the RHS. First A cross B, then A cross C, then you have to find the union for that two values. And the 3 sums is your make the 3 sums as your homework. So you are going to try it and you are going to find the answer. If you are unable, check the previous questions how we have solved and tried these questions. Okay. Now we are moving to the seventh question. Now we are moving to the seventh question. Read the seventh question. Let A equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. Natural numbers begins from 1 to 3. Next, B equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. Prime numbers, already I have taught you what is prime number. What is prime number? A number which is divisible by itself and 1 is called prime number. So you can find the prime numbers. C equal to the set of even prime number. Can you answer which is an even prime number? Only one even prime number is available. That is nothing but 2. Okay. So now I am going to explain the seventh question. What is the first question asked in what is given? A equal to set of all natural number. Natural number begins from 1 and it is less than 8. Less than 8. So you shouldn't add 8. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, what is the set B? Set of all prime numbers less than 8. Prime numbers less than 8. Prime numbers I have already said, a number divisible by itself and 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Next, C. The set of even prime number. Only one even prime number, that is 2. Okay. Now, first question. What is the first sub question? A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Now you are very thorough in finding these types of question. That is solving this type of question. I hope and you are going to solve that question. I am now going to teach you the second sub question. What is the second sub question? A cross B minus C, that is difference. B difference C equal to A cross B difference A cross C. A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. That is A cross B minus A cross C. However, it's possible can. So, first LHS. A cross B difference C. First you are going to find what is inside the bracket, that is B cross C. B difference C. That is B difference C. What is B? 2, 3, 5, 7. Set of 2, 3, 5, 7 minus, what is the set C? Set 2, isn't it? Now, what is B difference C? How will you find? You have to subtract the element from C from B. C from B. So, this 2 and this 2 will be get cancelled. So, which is remaining in the first set given? Here B is the first set. So, the remaining elements in the B should be the answer. Remaining element in the B should be the answer. Next, B cross C we have find. Next, what you have to find? B difference C you have find. Next, what you have to find? A cross B difference C. So, A cross B difference C equal to, what is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross, what is B difference C? Set of 3, 5, 7. Now, take cross product. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. So, this is taken as equation 1. Now, you are moving to the RHS part. What is RHS? A cross B minus A cross C. So, already I have said you, first you have to find the value of what is in the first bracket and then you find the value of what is in the second bracket. A cross B is equal to, what is A? 1, 2, set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross set of 2, 3, 5, 7. So, take cross product 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. Now we have just find A cross B. Now what you are going to find? A cross C. What is A? 1, 2, set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross 2. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. Next, have the question completed? No. What you have to find? A cross B difference or minus A cross C. So I already said if minus is here, you have to subtract the value of this from the first one. Subtract the value of second set from the value of first one. So we are subtracting. When you are subtracting, all the elements with 2, 1, 2, 2, 2 cm, 1, 3, here is it available? 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2. Here A cross B, listen here. 1, 2, 1, 2. So these two will be cancelled. 1, 3 is here, here it is not, then check here. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 2, 3, 2. 4, 2, 4, 2. 5, 2, 5, 2. 6, 2, 6, 2. 7, 2, 7, 2. These all have been cancelled. Which is remaining in the first one should be the answer. And we have written here the answer. So, when you are checking 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, you can see that LHS will be equal to RHS. Dear students, I hope you have listened it better and you are able to understand what I am teaching you. If you have any difficulties, please mention in the comment box, or you can send me your messages so I can rectify it. Please take care in your studies. Keep your books with you and while you are watching the videos. Take care on all your subjects. Study well. It is your future. Thank you.